Okay, let's take a look. The password is 9330. For the English interface, where do you set the interface language, and how many interface languages are there in total? We tap Tools, then Settings, then Printer, and then Configuration. Tap Language. Right here. Let's take a look. These are all the options.
Alright, so there are this many interface languages available.